Alright, so we're going to take a short break from the railroad spike knife, and I'm going to do something today, try to practice for my upcoming series that's going to happen after the railroad spike. So sit back, enjoy, and see if we can do some forge welding. So I got the fire lit and it's going. I'm gonna get 2 railroad spikes and I'm gonna stick them both into the forge, let them heat up on the end, and then I've got some flux. I'm gonna pour the flux on the end just a little bit and stick that back into the fire, let the flux get red hot, and then I'm gonna take both of them out of the forge at the same time and see if we can forge weld them. So here's hoping. Holy moly, I've done it. I don't know how good the weld is, but it is welding. Ah! There's the gap right there, and right there. But you see where they connect, how the angle at which they connected. Up there, it's welded, man. That's encouraging. All right, 2 thumbs way up. That went exactly the way I wanted it to. I gained a tremendous amount of experience and knowledge on how to forge weld from that. Now I know how to forge weld using this particular forge. It's not the first time I've ever forge welded, but it is the first time I've ever forge welded on purpose. So, but I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little glimpse into what my next series is going to be after I finish up the railroad spike knife. So stay tuned, stay with me. I promise you're going to enjoy it. You're going to like it a lot. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. I might not even tell you what it is in that first video. You're just going to have to stay tuned. Keep it a secret until it's kind of obvious what I'm doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already done it, and I will see you next time.